The blueprint for building profitable email lists. Email marketing has been one of the most reliable and profitable channels for businesses for decades. In 2024, with the continued growth of online commerce, email marketing remains a powerful tool for generating revenue. Whether you're promoting your own products, affiliate offers, or working with clients, mastering email marketing can open up consistent streams of income. This guide will take you step by step through the process of making money with email marketing, from setting up your email list to monetizing your subscribers effectively. 1. Understanding email marketing. Email marketing is a digital marketing strategy that involves sending promotional or educational content to a group of people through email. It's a direct line of communication with your audience, allowing you to promote products, services, or information. Unlike other forms of advertising, email marketing can feel more personal and targeted, making it easier to build relationships with your audience. The primary goals of email marketing include 1. Building a relationship with your audience. 2. Educating your subscribers. 3. Promoting products or services. 4. Driving conversions, sales, signups, clicks, etc. 2. Step 1. Define your email marketing goals. Before diving into the mechanics of email marketing, you need to define your goals. What do you want to achieve through your email campaigns? Your objectives will shape how you structure your emails, who you target, and how you measure success. Some common goals include 1. Building your list. Growing a subscriber base of engaged individuals who are interested in your content or offers. 2. Driving sales. Promoting products or services to your email list to generate revenue. 3. Nurturing leads. Sending educational content to guide prospects through the buyer's journey until they're ready to make a purchase. 4. Building authority. Sharing knowledge to position yourself or your brand as an expert in your niche. Once your goals are set, you'll have a clearer vision of how to proceed with the next steps. 3. Step 2. Choose an email marketing platform. To get started with email marketing, you need an email marketing platform. This tool will allow you to manage your subscriber list, create email templates, send emails, and track performance. There are numerous platforms available, each with varying features. Some popular options include 1. MailChimp, a user-friendly platform with drag-and-drop templates and automation features. Chapter 2. ConvertKit, designed for creators and bloggers with a focus on simplicity and effectiveness. 3. Aweber, offers a range of templates and a strong focus on autoresponders and list segmentation. 4. ActiveCampaign, a more advanced platform that integrates email marketing with CRM features for robust automation. When choosing a platform, consider the features you need, such as automation, ease of use, analytics, and integration with other tools. 4. Step 3. Build your email list. The foundation of a successful email marketing strategy is a quality email list. Your list should consist of people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Here are several steps to build your list. A. Create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource or incentive that you offer in exchange for someone's email address. The key to a successful lead magnet is to ensure it solves a specific problem for your target audience. Common lead magnets include 1. Ebooks or guides. 2. Free courses or webinars. 3. Discounts or coupons. 4. Templates or checklists. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could offer a 7-day fat-burning meal plan as a free guide for people who sign up. B. Create a landing page. Your lead magnet needs to be paired with a landing page that explains what the free resource is, how it will help the user, and why they should give you their email. Use a clean, professional design and make the sign-up process easy. C. Promote your lead magnet. Once your lead magnet and landing page are ready, promote them to drive traffic. You can promote your lead magnet through 1. Your website or blog. 2. Social media channels. 3. Paid advertising, e.g. Facebook ads, Google ads. 4. Collaborations with influencers or bloggers. 5. Step 4. Nurture your email list with valuable content. Once people have joined your email list, the next step is to nurture them with valuable content. The goal is to build trust and develop a relationship with your subscribers before promoting any offers. A common way to nurture your list is through an email sequence or drip campaign. A. Welcome email. Start with a welcome email as soon as someone subscribes. This email should thank them for joining your list, deliver the lead magnet, and give them an idea of what to expect from your future emails. This is your first impression, so make it count. B. Educational content. For the next few emails, focus on providing valuable content that educates or entertains your subscribers. Don't immediately go for the hard sell. Instead, offer tips, insights, or stories that are relevant to your audience. For example, if your niche is an online business, you can send emails about strategies for increasing sales, tips for time management, or case studies of successful entrepreneurs. 6. Step 5. Monetize your email list. Once you've built a relationship with your audience, it's time to monetize your list. There are several ways to make money with email marketing. A. Promote your own products. If you have your own products or services, email marketing is an excellent way to promote them. Create a special offer or promotion and send it to your email list. For instance, you could offer a limited time discount or a bundle deal to encourage your subscribers to buy. B. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money without creating your own products. As an affiliate, you promote products or services from other companies, and you earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To do this effectively, 1. Only promote products that are relevant to your audience and that you've personally used or researched. 2. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship. 3. Provide real value by explaining how the product can help your audience. C. Selling digital products. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider creating and selling digital products, such as online courses, ebooks, or printables. Your email list is a perfect place to promote these products. Digital products are highly scalable, meaning you can sell them repeatedly without additional production costs. D. Sponsored emails. Another way to monetize your list is by sending sponsored emails. Brands pay you to send an email promoting their product or service to your list. However, make sure that the sponsored content aligns with your audience's interests, so you don't lose trust or credibility. 7. Step 6. Analyze and optimize your campaigns. Once you start sending emails and promoting offers, it's essential to track your results and optimize your campaigns. Your email marketing platform will provide metrics such as 1. Open rates, the percentage of subscribers who open your emails. 2. Click-through rates, CTR, the percentage of subscribers who click on links in your email. 3. Conversion rates, the percentage of subscribers who take the desired action, e.g., purchase a product. Use these metrics to improve your email marketing strategy. For example, if your open rates are low, experiment with different subject lines. If your CTR is low, test the placement and wording of your call to action CTA links. 8. Step 7. Scale your email marketing efforts. As you gain more experience with email marketing, look for ways to scale your efforts. This could include 1. Building more email sequences. Create email campaigns for different segments of your audience based on their behavior, e.g., new subscribers versus repeat customers. 2. Automating your processes. Use your email platform's automation features to send emails based on triggers, such as when someone signs up, clicks a link, or makes a purchase. 3. Growing your list. Continue to promote your lead magnets and grow your subscriber base through paid ads, content marketing, and collaborations. Conclusion. Email marketing remains one of the most powerful and cost-effective methods for generating revenue online. Its ability to deliver personalized messages directly to an engaged audience ensures that businesses can build meaningful connections with their subscribers, ultimately driving conversions. By following these steps, from building a quality list of subscribers to nurturing them with valuable content and strategically monetizing your offers, you can create a sustainable income stream that not only grows over time, but also adapts to market trends and audience needs. Consistency is key in email marketing. Regularly communicating with your list helps reinforce your brand's presence, build trust, and keep your audience engaged. Over time, your subscribers will begin to see you as an authority in your niche, making them more likely to open your emails and take action on your offers. The beauty of email marketing lies in its scalability. As your list grows, so does your potential to generate higher revenue. And with automation tools, you can manage these campaigns with greater efficiency, allowing you to maximize your efforts without extra time or resources. With the right strategy, email marketing becomes more than just a tool for promotion. It's a long-term asset that can help you establish a loyal customer base, boost sales, and generate consistent profits in 2024 and beyond. Whether you're selling your own products, promoting affiliate offers, or working with clients, email marketing provides a unique opportunity to tap into a reliable income stream that continues to evolve with your business. And that wraps up today's deep dive into the world of email marketing and how you can turn it into a profitable income stream. Whether you're just getting started or fine-tuning your strategy, remember that success comes with consistency and learning what resonates with your audience. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video, where we'll be exploring another exciting way to boost your online income. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss it.